Hey, so you want to learn how to make beef basil? Follow along, let me show you how easy it is to make this.
Before we get started, let's go over the ingredients. Your choice of ground or minced beef, eggs, some sliced onions, Thai chili pepper, as much as you like, chopped garlic, Thai basil, that's the start of the dish, and some bell peppers. We are going to be using 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce and sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. You can find these ingredients in the international section at your local grocery store.
Garlic. Mix. Now add your beef. Alright, next, soy sauce. Sugar. Fish sauce. And oyster. Adding your peppers, basil, peppers. Next, we're going to fry eggs. Move this to the side. And boom, there you have it, folks. Easy peasy beef basil. Very savory and delicious. Got your 2 sunny side up eggs, your beef basil, and a side of rice right there. Very delicious and hearty. Spicy too, I must say. But you control the spice, so it's totally up to you. If you enjoyed this recipe, please follow and like, and I'll see you on the next one. And as always, peace and love, guys.